Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and today I have 3 super fun Santa Mail DIYs to share with you. So let's jump in. Our first project is going to be this Santa Mail banner, and I'm going to start out by painting these beads that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to paint them green and red, and then I'm going to leave one of the beads a natural color, the natural bead color. I will list in my description box all the paint colors and supplies I used for the DIYs today, and I will link those beads down there as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some batting that I also got at Walmart, and I'm going to stuff these gift card holders that I picked up at Walmart as well. And I have 3 of the cream colored bags and 3 of the red bags. And I'm just going to stuff them so that it looks like they are full of mail. Next, I'm going to take these gift card holders that I also picked up at Walmart, and I'm just going to place one of the gift card holders into each bag to make it look like the mail is coming out of the bag. These natural brown colored gift tags, I actually wrote my family's names on the outsides, so it looks like it's their mail. You could either do that, or if you didn't want to write any names, you wouldn't have to. These particular gift cards had a big space there in the middle, so I wanted to go ahead and write something. The red bags are going to get these red and white gift card holders, and they're going to stick into the bag just the same way as the cream one, and it's going to be sticking out like there's a bag full of mail. And I'm just using my hot glue gun, and I'm gluing like the corner of the gift tag onto the bag to make sure that it stays in place, and then I'm cinching the bag together just to give it another extra tightness in there. Next, I took my jute twine and I just knotted it several times there. I made a loop so in case I wanted to hook it onto something when I hung it up. And then I've cut ribbon into strips, and this ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is cut the ribbon in half to give it a smaller strip for when I go to tie it around the jute twine. So we're ready to assemble our banner, and I'm just using a little pattern that I came up with. So I have a colored bead, a piece of the ribbon, another colored bead, a piece of the burlap, the plain bead, another piece of the ribbon, and then the red bead, and I just followed that pattern, and then I glue on one of the bags. It's totally up to you what kind of pattern you want to go with. If you're recreating this at home, you would not have to do my pattern. I just wanted to have alternating colors. And so when I went to glue my bag on, I accidentally glued one of the bags to the front instead of the back, and so I have like some excess glue there. So I just decided to go ahead and add a simple little bow out of that same burlap ribbon with the polka dots onto the cream colored gift bag. Here you have it, and oh my goodness, this turned out even cuter than I anticipated it was going to be, and I absolutely love it. It's hanging above my fireplace. I have a huge Santa display in my living room, and so this is perfect to go with my decor. Today I am taking part in Heidi Sombel's Friend Friday Hop, and linked down below in my description box is a link to the next channel in the hop. Each channel will be linked to the next person in the hop, which will take you around the full crafter circle. Make sure to leave a comment along the way to be entered into the giveaway. Today's giveaway is a $75 Amazon gift card, a Cricut Joy, Cricut carry bag, Cricut tools, scissors, vinyl, staple gun, 20 paintbrushes, and a craft shear cutter. Unbelievable prize to win, so don't forget to go down into the description box and leave a comment to be entered to win this fun giveaway. So for our second project today, we're going to be putting together this Santa mail bag, and I picked up this bag and the Santa letters at the Dollar General. So we're going to take that same filler that we used in the first project, and we're going to use this in this project too. When I got this bag all undone and ready to put together, I did not realize how big it actually was, and I did not want to stuff it all with the stuffing. So instead I took some Walmart and like shopping bags, and I just took all the ones I had at home and I stuffed them into the bottom of this bag to take up some of the space, and then at the top of the bag is where I end up putting the stuffing, the batting. This is such an easy project to assemble together, and when I asked my family after I put up all of our Christmas decorations what their favorite decoration was in our house, this is the one they chose. And I have to admit, it is very cute, but I was kind of surprised that this, out of all the decorations we have, was their favorite. So now we're to the top of the bag, and all we're going to do is put that stuffing in there, and then I'm going to take those letters that I picked up at Dollar General, I'm going to glue them together, and I'm going to stick them to the top of the bag with a couple other like gift bags that I picked up there, and I just stuffed them into the bag, and there is the final look. It is super cute and it looks adorable in my fireplace area. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, trash to treasure, and Dollar Tree DIYs. You can also follow me over at A Perfect Place to Start 78 at Instagram. I love to post pictures of my home over there, and usually in my stories you can follow kind of things I'm doing in my everyday life. So I would love it if you followed me over there too. For our third project, we're going to be making this really cute Santa mail sign, and the window clings came from Dollar General and the sign is from Dollar Tree. So we're just going to take off the Let It Snow portion of the sign, and I go ahead and put it aside because I figure I might be able to use it later in another DIY. And then I'm just going to paint both sides of this sign with some Waverly white chalk paint that I picked up at Walmart. Next, we're going to take our window cling, and I'm just taking this big Santa. He's holding up an envelope, and I'm using some Mod Podge, and I'm just going to adhere the Mod Podge to the back of our window cling and then stick it onto our sign. I kind of experiment a little bit with some of the other parts of the window cling, but I decide him with his letter is really all I want on my sign. So I'm just going to take this ribbon that I picked up also at the Dollar Tree. It's one of my very favorite ribbons that they have there because I figure it's very versatile. You can use it for Christmas, Valentine's, summer, so I always pick up a bunch of them when I see them. And I'm just going to make this really simple bow and glue it down to the top, and then I'm just going to add a white berry to the middle of it. And here you have it. He is all done. He is adorable. I really loved this window queen, and he just went super well with the rest of the DIYs that I had going on today for my Santa mail. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so grateful that you were able to stop by. Don't forget to hop on over to the next video and leave a comment so that you're able to be entered in that fabulous giveaway that is going on for the Friday Friend Hop. I'm so grateful that you were able to join me today, and remember, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.